Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I am Monique. If this is your first time joining me, I want to thank you for joining me. Feel welcome. Welcome to the Wrapped and Scrap family. So this is going to be a really quick video, and I just wanted to show you guys again. This is not the first time. I know those of you who have seen these shoes are sick of seeing these shoes, but I keep getting a lot of people asking me to show these shoes, and so I figured I'd do a quick little clip to show these shoes. Okay, these are the shoes. These are the mirrored shoes that I made. Golly, it's been some years now. It's been over, man, 5, 6, 7, I say 8 years maybe I made these shoes. It's been a long time that I made these shoes. But I thought I would just go ahead and show them one more time. For old time's sake, we're going to show them, okay? And yes, these are my loves. These are my loves, my darlings, okay? These are my party shoes. This is what if I go to a lounge or out, these are one of the shoes I like to wear because it just has so much reflection. I did make these shoes, okay? I think I put up a tutorial on a long time, years ago. I'll try and dig it out and see what I can do because you want to see the other one. Here is the other one. Now, these are just some shoes that I bought from Charming Charlie's. And then I put all the mirror all over them. Now, for all of you who are at home right now, y'all at home, you ain't doing nothing. Not really. You're not really doing anything. You can make you some mirror shoes. You can do it. Make yourself some mirror shoes, okay? Honey, even if you don't do nothing but wear these when your honey come home, you just put on a small little skimpy shirt and just wear them around the house. Do what you're going to do. Just go ahead and bless your life. Bless his too. Okay, so those are those. And then since I'm showing you stuff, I might as well show you my little purse I made, my napkin purse. Okay. Well, it was a white purse. My kids colored on it. And so I decided to paint it. That is a napkin on there. Can you see that? I wonder if you can see that. Anyhow, but I painted it. And I'm still working on the back. I still got some painting to do there. But this is my ocean purse. So my goal is to one day be able to wear some cute little shorts and a nice little tropical shirt and go to the catwalk on the beach and be able to wear it and take some pictures because I just think it's such a cute combination, which is why they're sitting here together on the shelf back here. Anywho, told you that was going to be a quick video. 2 minutes and 53 seconds. I did good. All right. So that is it. That is all for now. I just wanted to show you the shoes really quick just because, like I said, I always get requests for people to see these shoes. So there they are. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Yes, I did make this lime green robe yesterday. I love it so far. It's got a couple things that I need to, do better in on the next time, but I'm happy with it. Okay. So I will see you next time. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Hit the subscription button, please. It is free. Hit the notification bell so you can get notifications when I post. I will see you next time. Stay wrapped and scrapped. Stay happy. Stay loving. Stay kind. Stay loving you. Stay loving God. See you next time.